Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Trello Automation Butler, pro tips step by step clearly. Start by opening your Trello board. Navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Automation button. Select Butler from the drop-down menu. Familiarize yourself with the three main automation types: card, board, and calendar. To create a new rule, choose Create Rule under the Card or Board section. Begin by selecting a trigger for your automation. Choose from triggers like moving a card, changing a due date, or adding a label. Next, specify the action that should occur when the trigger happens. Actions can include moving a card to a different list, adding a comment, or updating a due date. After defining the trigger and action, give your rule a specific name. Consider using descriptive names for easier identification later. To test your new rule, create a scenario that matches your trigger. Ensure the desired action is executed properly. If the automation works as intended, you're all set. If not, revisit the rule to troubleshoot any issues. Explore the calendar option for time-based automations. This can help you manage deadlines and reminders effectively. Set up commands for recurring tasks, such as weekly check-ins or monthly reviews. This ensures you don't exceed the automation usage allowance. Customize your Butler rules to fit your workflow for optimal efficiency. Review your rules periodically to keep them aligned with your evolving needs. With practice, you'll become adept at using Trello Automation Butler for seamless project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.